I still have a dream.
This resource has been produced to explore the underachievement of African Caribbean boys. It seeks to give educationalists the context and raise awareness of the complexity of the issue. Pupils, parents, teachers, trainers, and LA officers all offer their viewpoint and signal possible ways forward.